Good afternoon, YouTube, or whatever time of day it is where you're living. It's Python Dev Warrior back with another video. So today I'll be taking you guys through the data structures course that I completed for my master's program. Take you through every single project, every single thing. So we're gonna break this up into a couple videos, and we'll maybe make it a playlist. But yeah, I want to show you guys what I've been working on and what you can learn from a data structures course for a master's program. And yeah, anybody can do it. Honestly, it just takes hard work, a little bit of work ethic, a little bit of time after work, and you can do it too. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, in this video I'm going to take you through my actual grades from the course, and we can kind of look at how a course for a master's program, namely a data structures program, is broken down. And yeah, so let's take a look. So grades for me, Justin Alvey. So we have here's a group breakdown, a rubric for the course. We have weekly discussion, which is easy. You just answered the discussion topic, and then you also replied to two other individuals in the class, two other students, and give feedback on their posts as well. And it's cool. You don't actually see the other students' work until you submit your own work. So it really tries to get you to do your own work first. Really think about the problem and then discuss it after. So weekly discussion is 10% of the grade. Module exercises, those are the big exercises that we worked on every week, and mostly just walking you through different programming concepts and how to complete a number of different programming exercises. So that really gets you doing the work. It's more than just the actual theory. Now you're applying it. So these are applicable applications for the program. After that, we have the final project, which was due the last week of the course. That was 40%. So as you see, the course was 8 weeks. So we did module exercises every week and weekly discussion every week. And then, so that's for 7 weeks, and then still the final project was 40%. So say you could have an A in the class, but say you only get a B on the final project, your grade isn't going to be an A, it's going to be a B. Alright, so a quick plug for the video. I want to recommend to you guys the Robinhood app. Now I know a lot of you have already heard about it before. I hope that you have. But if not, check it out. It's great for investing, free trades. It's a great brokerage, and if you use my code in the description, we'll each get a free stock. So help me help you, help me help you. You know what it is. Yeah, I had to get out of that office. It's a great day here out on the lake. Sun's going down. It still looks beautiful though. And yeah, I'm not affiliated with Robinhood in any way, but yeah, help me help you. Let's do this. Nothing but sunshine. So it was really important to really ace that final project, and it covered a lot of the topics that we talked about in the course. So here I'm going to walk you through each of my grades, and I got a student introductions. That was easy. Every week we have a feedback. So if we take a look at the feedback, just some general questions he would ask. What was the one thing you learned from the readings? Discussion or assignment. What is one question you have after this week's work was completed? What was the hardest part of this week? What was the easiest part of this week? How long do you estimate you spent on material this week? So that was pretty easy. I got to remember to do it every time, because that counts as module exercise points. And then we had our weekly discussion, map and critique of control flow, reinforcement and punishment. Reinforcement and punishment, we'll circle back to that later. That involved the week 1 module exercises. So for every week, it's basically that breakdown. You have feedback, you have a weekly discussion, a module exercise. Boom, 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 boom. boom, 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 three every week. And I'll make a long story short, I got 100% on every single one. So even the final project. So that meant acing every single thing in the course. Every feedback I completed, which was easy. Forest for the trees, that was a fun one, it was a modular exercise. Then weekly discussion every week. Yeah, so I don't show this just to brag. I show this to show you that you can do this too. It's possible. You just got to take the time, really. And it was due every Sunday at 1 a.m. So, if you need to pull an all-nighter the night of, you have that option. I would always try to break up my work during the week. So, yeah, it would be a lot easier, and I didn't have to pull an all-nighter. So now that's the typical breakdown for the course, and let's move on. Anyway, if you liked the video so far, please leave a like and subscribe. It means a lot. Thank
I need it more when you're close. I need it more when you're close. I need it more when you're close. I need it more when you're close to me. I'm feeling high when I'm low.